Good afternoon, students. This is Anusha, science teacher, here you to explain you about third lesson, rain, where does it comes from, and that our next topic is condensation. Evaporation is nothing but changing of water into water vapor is nothing but your evaporation. Where does you see that evaporation? That evaporation is seen in your rivers, lakes, and all. When sunlight comes, it will be in the form of a water vapor. It goes in the form of a water vapor. What is condensation? Condensation, the process of conversion of water into vapor into water. It is a reverse process of evaporation, you can say. The process of conversion of water vapor into water. Water vapor into water. Water vapor. Water vapor. If you heat water, water vapor will come. Isn't it? Water vapors into water. Into water is nothing but your condensation. Water vapor into water is nothing but your condensation. Means what? Water vapor into water. It means, see, if you observe sometimes in your winter season, when you go out, some smokes will be coming out of your mouth. Smoke like things are coming out of your mouth. Means what? Means the atmosphere outside is very less compared to the the air in your mouth. Due to that, what happens? A small smoke like thing will be formed in front of your mouth, isn't it? Even the dew falling, even you can observe dew falling on the grass and all also. And see, if you keep a glass full of water, if full of ice, suppose if glass full of ice you have taken ice, what happens? The outside the glass, the temperature will be more than the water ice in the glass. Due to that, what happens? Due to the change in the temperature difference, the water vapor, see, in the atmosphere water vapor will be there, ma. You kept this glass of water which is very cool, you can say. So due to this, what happens? This temperature is less. Inside the water is cool, less temperature. Cool when it will be cool, when less temperature is there, cool. But the outside the surface of the glass, water vapor will be there, isn't it? Outside the surface of the water vapor will be there, which is more than this. So what happens? This water vapor is now the water vapor, due to the coolness of this, the water vapor around the glass is going to convert into water, and it will be appear in the droplets. I want to make you to understand once again. See, the process of conversion of water vapor into water is called as condensation. In a glass, I want to explain you. Take a glass of water. In that ice you take. The ice temperature here, the glass temperature is cool, but the outside the glass, the temperature, the water, due to the water vapor, the temperature is more. So what happens? This water vapor, when it due to this water vapor, when it gets cools, then it becomes water, and it will be appear on the surface of the glass. Means what? If you raise the temperature, if water is there, if you raise the temperature, water vapor it becomes. If you raise the temperature, water vapor it becomes. If you heat the temperature, if you heat the water, if you cool this water vapor, then it becomes what? Condensation. Water vapor becomes water. The simple thing. You can see when your mother is kept something, you see on a rice bowl, something she cooked, and on the plate what happens? Water droplets will be appearing, isn't it? Water droplets means this is water vapor, isn't it? Water vapor only, na? Due to if you heat the water, water vapor will come out. This is a water vapor. If you keep it for some time like that only, this water vapor is going to get cooled, and it is going to change into water. This is the process which happens in your which happens in your condensation. This is your condensation. I hope you all understood it very well. If you cool the water, if you heat the water, it becomes water vapor. If you cool the water vapor, it becomes water. It becomes water. And next, clouds and rain. Clouds and rain. Clouds and rain. How these clouds will be forming? See, due to the water bodies, they get heated up. So when they get heated up due to the sunlight, the water vapors will be formed. Water vapors are they go above the air, means from the earth, if you move above the air, the atmosphere will become cool. So this water will become in the form of this water vapor will become in the form of a cloud. I read out for you and explain so that you can understand very well. So clouds and rain. On a warm day, the sun heats up the ground as well as the water in the seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. This water converts into water vapor by process of evaporation. So what happens due to the sunny day, due to the heat of the sun, the water will become water vapor. It is called as what? The water becomes water vapor. It is called what? Evaporation. Evaporation is nothing but your evaporation. Water changing into water vapor is evaporation. Then what happens? This water vapor rises up into the atmosphere. This water vapor will rises up into the atmosphere. Then as we move away from the surface of the earth, if you move up, the air becomes cooler. It becomes cooler. So the water vapor, what they become? We saw in condensation. Water vapor, when it becomes cool, it becomes again water. Hence the water vapor reaches the higher levels. It condenses due to the contact with the cool air and forms small drops of water droplets. These water droplets remain floating in the higher levels of the earth. These are nothing but your clouds. So due to the heat, the water becomes water vapor. The water becomes what? Water vapor. And if you go up the earth, the water will become, the atmosphere will become cool. So this water vapor, when it get cools, what happens? You saw in condensation, the water vapor, when it gets cools, it becomes water. So it became water. Again the water is going to be in the form of a higher levels, in the form of a clouds. So thank you.